guys, welcome to another video. A few of my friends have actually been asking me what skincare I use, so I'm gonna show you guys my skincare routine. It varies within the day. I have different skincare for morning and night, and so I'm gonna show you my nighttime skincare routine, but also explain to you my daytime skincare routine products that I use. So first thing when I get unready is to cleanse my face, and of course I use the La Roche-Posay Effaclar cleanser. So I've already done this off camera, but yeah, this is a really good cleanser. It is very lightweight, it foams well. It's a very good dermatologically approved cleanser if you want to use one, so highly recommend this. So now moving on to the skincare itself, I'm gonna show you guys my skincare routine at night. First we use a toner. This isn't exactly a toner, but it's a facial spray from Mario Badescu. It's the aloe vera, cucumber, and green tea facial spray. So kind of replaces something like a toner. This is to get my face wet and toned for all the skincare products later on. The second step on my skincare routine is exfoliation. I recently picked up this. It's from The Ordinary. It's a 10% lactic acid plus hyaluronic acid. It's basically a chemical exfoliant, something like AHA or BHA. Just gonna put a little bit, and I'm just gonna massage that into my skin. The reason why I don't use this exfoliator in the morning is because it does react with the UV rays in the sunlight, and it can be very harsh on your skin if it reacts with UV rays. Yeah, I can end up sunburning your skin. Yeah. So I only use this at night. I forgot that I should put out my hair before doing skincare, so I have a hairband here. This is just to hold everything up while I do my skincare so that my hair doesn't get in the way. Anyways, after chemically exfoliating, I will use a serum. This is also from The Ordinary. It's a 10% niacinamide serum with 1% zinc. Yeah, basically this helps to get rid of any kinds of blemish or imperfections on the skin. Just a little bit. And I just rub it in all the way. Make sure it's nice and absorbed into my face, not forgetting the neck. The next step after I use my serum is a vitamin C serum. I usually do this at night as well. Again, for the same reason, similar to the exfoliator, where vitamin C will react with the UV rays in the sun, and if I do this in the daytime, it will reduce the effectiveness of vitamin C. So I do this at night. Basically just put it on my face, put it on my skin, and then I just massage it in real nice. Once it's absorbed, it's time for the most important part, which is moisturization. I have two kinds of moisturization. Let me show you guys real quick. This is the moisturizer I use at night. It is from the Inky list, and it is the vitamin C, B, and E moisturizer. And for my daytime moisturizer, I recently picked up this hyaluronic acid from Sephora. It is from the Sephora collection. Why I picked this up recently is because I like the way this absorbs into my skin, especially in Singapore when the weather is crazy hot, crazy humid. I need a lightweight daytime moisturizer, and this does the job perfectly. So yeah, because it has hyaluronic acid inside, it doesn't feel greasy on the skin, and it absorbs into my skin really fast and doesn't leave it feeling oily and grimy. So yeah, but for tonight I'm gonna use this. So put quite a bit, and I just put it on my face. I find that this moisturizer isn't as good as the hyaluronic moisturizer because I don't know, it melts very fast in my hand. Like I put it on my hand and it instantly becomes like water. But I don't know, maybe it's just the composition of how the moisturizer is made. But spreading on my face, and again, not forgetting my neck, making sure everything is evenly rubbed in. Usually if I'm feeling fancy, I'm gonna put a face mask on before I do my skincare, but today I'm not gonna do any of that. I'm just gonna do my basic skincare routine. Anyways, in the daytime, after I put this moisturizer on, I will use the sunscreen from Klairs. This is a all-day airy sunscreen. It's SPF 50. It's got this yellowish tint to it, but it doesn't feel greasy or anything. So really recommend if y'all live in a humid environment like Singapore, the sunscreen that y'all gotta use so that y'all don't break out. Because I've used sunscreen before and I've broken out because of it, and it's just not a good experience, let me tell you guys. Anyways, after that, for my nighttime, I will use this collagen eye cream. It's from this brand Tan Zero. I don't know if you can see. But anyways, I would just use this on my under eye a little bit, and I'm just gonna massage it in. This is to plump up my bottom lid and make sure that all these eye bags from endless nights of sleep do not form. Yeah, anyways, my face is feeling like a baby bottom. Alright, now comes the fun part. I recently picked up this gua sha tool, also from Sephora, if you can see. I picked it up because I wanted to try it, and not that I believe in like the spirituality of crystals or whatever, because I don't believe in that, sorry. But scientifically it's been proven to help loosen all the, what's it called? Myofascia stuff. Basically it helps to loosen the lymphatic system, basically push all the gunk out of your face. Basically your lymphatic system doesn't have a way of circulating all that shit in the system, so this helps to. How I do this is I will wash it first, which I already have. You're supposed to use a facial oil. I do not have a facial oil, so I will use bio oil, skincare oil. I'm just gonna put it on my face and then follow it with a gua sha tool. So I just put it all over my face, and then I use the tool to kind of scrape with a little bit of force just to get the oil all in there. And as I'm scraping, I can feel like knots underneath my skin. It helps to loosen the muscles as well in your face. Basically, it's a relaxation kind of thing, as well as pushing out all that lymphatic stuff in the system. I can feel like the knots and the nodes just being pressed out as I do this. And I do this every day, every night. I try to. It's something that I'm trying to incorporate into my routine. After doing the main face area, I will move on to using this part of the gua sha tool. I'm just gonna do my cheekbones, pulling it for the thumbnail, and I will do my cheek, I will do my jaw, and once my jawline is done, I will do my brows. Then I will switch to the end of the tool, and I will do under my eye one more time. It is a little bit pain, but it works, and yeah, it provides a lot of blood circulation in my face. So yeah. Then once I'm done, I will move on to the neck. Basically, just push everything down. I'm done with this tool, so I will wash it down. And now I'll move on to the last part of my skincare routine, which is moisturization for my body. I will use the Sleepy Body Lotion from Lush. This smells so amazing. As you can see, it is a light lavender color, and this basically contains tonka with lavender. It just smells so heavenly. Like, it smells so heavenly that I could sleep in it. So I just put a bit and I just rub it on my body, mostly my arms and my legs. It smells so good. Another recent product that I recently picked up was this Aesop Resurrection Aromatic Balm. It says hand balm here, but honestly, you can use it for anything. You can use it for body, you can use it for your hands. But this contains mandarin rind, rosemary leaf, and cedar atlas, which you can't smell this, but it smells really amazing. So I will usually use either this or this, depending on what I'm feeling. Most of the time it's this because I'm getting ready to sleep, but if it's in the day, I'll probably use a little bit of this. It's kind of greasy too, so I don't really want to use it now. My hands are kind of oily too, but daytime and this one at night. So once I'm done, I take out my hairband and that's it. I'm ready to sleep. That's it for my skincare routine. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below what skincare products you guys use and let me know whether they are beneficial for you or products that I should try, products that I'm using right now that I shouldn't be using. Anyways, let me know your thoughts below in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That will make my day. I'll see you guys next time. Now I'm gonna go sleep. So